Hello guys, now we are going to proceed further with our new session, that is new session and the last session from the chapter number 3, that is using mail merge. I already told you why we require a mail merge. Mail merge means sending a mail from a same document is called as a mail merge. अभी वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट में काम कर रहे हैं, उसी को आपको ईमेल करना है, तो उसी के अंदर से हम उसे कैसे ईमेल कर सकते हैं, हमें वो देखना है. Okay, so I have already explained you these things. Now let's see what are the steps required for sending a mail from a same document. So let's go in a word file. This one is a word file. Now I want to send a mail. Now here suppose I have written something over here and I want to send this in the form of mail. ये नहीं भेजेंगे, but for example I am showing it. तो मुझे ये फाइल को क्या करना है, मेल करना है. तो उसके लिए क्या करना होगा, लेट्स गो फर्दर विथ वन बाय वन स्टेप. First, what you have to do, you have to go in MS Word, you have to go in a mailing tab. After going in a mailing tab, here you have to go on start mail merge option. Which option? Start mail merge option. And here after going in start mail merge option, here you have to click on start mail merge. In start mail merge group, here this one is a start mail merge group. Inside this you have to click on start mail merge option. After clicking on start mail merge option, for sending a mail from the same document, you have to go here and click on the last option. That one is step by step mail merge wizard. Step by step mail merge wizard. See it carefully कहाँ मैं click करूँ क्या करूँ, because this is the toughest topic from this chapter. So as you click on start mail merge, and when you click on step by step mail merge wizard, here you get a dialog box at the right side of MS Word, that is mail merge. Now in this you have to go step by step further. For that, what you have to do, first for creating a mail merge document, you have to click on here, you have to select here which form of document you want, whether you want it in the form of letter, email, message, envelope, labels and directory. So here I will keep it later, whatever it is I will click it, I will keep it selected later. And after clicking after selecting the document, just you have to come downside and click on next starting document. Next starting document. When you click on next starting document, a new window gets open. Here it is asking you how do you want to set up your letter. आपको आपका लेटर कैसे बनाना है. यूज द करंट डॉक्यूमेंट. करंट डॉक्यूमेंट मतलब ये वाला. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम अ टेम्पलेट. टेम्पलेट्स मीन ओवर हियर, अगर आपका कोई क्रिएटेड होगा उसमें से आपको चाहिए, या फिर स्टार्ट फ्रॉम एग्जिस्टिंग डॉक्यूमेंट. एग्जिस्टिंग मतलब पहले बने हुए डॉक्यूमेंट में से आपको चाहिए. Okay, so whichever format you want, you have to select that. I am selecting over here. Use the current document. It is selected. In this way, it can be selected. So I have selected over here. Use the current document. And after selecting use the current document, what I am doing over here, just after clicking over there, I am clicking here. Next select recipient. Next select recipient. When you click on next select recipient, again new window gets open where it is asking you for use an existing list. एग्जिस्टिंग लिस्ट मतलब आपने कोई लिस्ट है क्या जो पहले से बना के रखी है इसके अंदर, किसकी, to the people whom you want to send the mail. Okay, so you have already created a list of the people, of the persons. Yes, you can use that. Or select from the Outlook content. Outlook is one of the mail service provider of which is the product of a Microsoft. And next one is a type a new list. Type a new list. So here, as we are doing it for the first time, I am clicking over here on type a new list. After clicking on a type a new list, here just click on next, write your later. Write your later. As you click over here on next, write your later, here it is giving you the facility for writing the content, writing the names of a person to whom you want to send a document, So what this area will contain, at here title can have a address. After that, the first name of a person to whom you are sending this information, like here I will give here Rohit. Agrawal. And here I will give company name as ABC, and address line, if I want to give any, here I have given it as Vaizapur, so here I will give it as Aurangabad. Okay. In this way you can create your address list. Now we have created for one. If you want a new entry, just click on new entry. Again you can feed over here, like here I will give title, then I will give Vaizapur. It is just for our understanding, that's why. Here and here you can give your address line. Here I will give. Okay, after creating the address list, you can create many more by clicking on new entry. After creating the address list, what you have to do, you have to click on OK. You have to click on OK. As you click on OK now, here it is asking you for saving that document. So I will save it in new volume D drive in 9th class notes in video folder. I will save it over here with the name ABC, and I will click on save. So my document has been saved now. Okay, so the document has been saved. Here ABC, you can see data source. In it data source, the name is ABC, and .mdb is the extension which is mostly used for MS Access. MS Access we have learned last year. तो MS Access का extension ACCDB होता है, कुछ MS Access का extension .mdb भी होता है. तो it has been saved in the form of .mdb. Okay, and the name for to the file is ABC. After doing this, just click OK. After clicking on OK, now here when you click on OK, here it is asking you to, here it is asking you here at the bottom, step 3 of 6, click on next, write your letter. You have to write a letter, so you have to click on write a letter. After clicking on write a letter, now here what you want the address line over here, address block you want. So here I clicked on address block. I've created here my list. Here this one is the list which I have created, or you can select it from the recipient which are already created by this MS Word. Just here I am having one, so I am selecting it and saying OK. So my address block, in address block here I can do the address of the person, like here this one is the address block. Just so this one is the address block. After address block, next one over here is a greeting line to whom you are sending the message. So here I will just press enter, and this one is the greeting line to whom you are sending the message. You want here address block will contain the address, like here I will give here address block send Monica School. After address block, next term we use while writing a letter is a greeting line, means respected and all these things we use. These are the greeting line, respected sir, madam, whatever it is. Okay, after that next one is a electronic postage. So here we don't want electronic postage. Here I have written. After that whatever information you want to write over here, like मुझे यहाँ पे कुछ लिखना है, कुछ करना है. So here I already given this, and press enter. After pressing enter, you can write your matter over here. I am just writing something over here for your understanding. मैं यहाँ पे कुछ लिख नहीं रही हूँ मैं. After this, the next thing is you have to say thank you, and whatever you want to write further you can write. In email, as you write an email, same way you have to write an email. After writing a email message over here, or after writing here some message, just you have to click on next, preview your letter. Next, preview your letter. So here it is showing you that in this way your letter will be visible to the person to whom you are sending mail. उनको ऐसे दिखेगा. After that, next step over here is you have to click over here on next complete the merge. Next complete the merge. When you click on next complete the merge, there are two options available. One is print and one is edit individual letter. मतलब दो लोगों के नाम की एंट्री की थी ना, तो हमें उन्हें इंडिविजुअल सेंड करना है और we want to send it collectively to both of them. Okay, so here I'm not selecting any of the option. Here I'm just clicking on print. Print means if you want to take out the print of this letter, just click on a print. Whether you want to select them, you want to send the send email to all, send to current record means which you have created now, or send from to means from which page number to which page number you want to send. So here mostly we keep in all and click OK. So it will get printed. In this way you will see the sheet, number of copies you want, and whatever copies you want you can select it from here and say OK. So it will get printed. In this way you can create your mail merge. Okay, now next step and the last step over here that we are going to see is how to save the merged letter. How to save the merged letter. So for saving the merged letter, what you have to do, you have to click on a file menu. Now it's not visible to you guys, but you know where is the file menu. Click on file menu, or you can use a shortcut key Ctrl S. After clicking on a file menu, click on save or save as option. Okay, and wherever you want to save your file, select that destination. Like here in this PC, I am selecting 9th class notes, and here in videos folder, here I am saving the file. So here my file has been saved. In this way you can save your mail merge file. Okay, so in this way we can send mail merge document by using these steps. There is nothing much to explain about this, just we have to follow all these 6 to 7 steps and we can send a mail to the person using this MS Word software. Okay, so guys, here we have completed all the topics from here. Like we have seen how to create a main document, how to create the data source and enter data in the fields. Data source हमने अभी create किया ना, लोगों we have created the list of the people and we have seen how to enter data in that field, how to merge the data source with the main document, merging अभी just की हमने, print the merge letter हमने जो लिखा था अभी, एंड सेव द मर्ज लेटर. मर्ज लेटर मतलब जो भी रिटर्न डेटा हमने किया था ना अभी वर्ड फाइल पे, ये वाला दिस वन इज कॉल्ड एज अ मर्ज लेटर. यहाँ से कंटेंट लेके हमने मर्जिंग की थी. ओके, सो वी हैव सीन ऑल द स्टेप्स फॉर मेल मर्ज, हाउ टू सेंड अ मेल थ्रू अ वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट. वी हैव सीन ऑल द स्टेप्स and here we have completed our chapter number 3, that is digital documentation. Now further from tomorrow in class we will see our chapter number 5. Chapter number 4 we will see later. Chapter number 5 is PowerPoint, so we will see that from tomorrow. Okay, so I hope guys you are watching the video properly, you are getting everything practically, and study well, watch the videos well. Okay, so and thank you.